Do-it-yourself firewall virtualization is hard and expensive, but a turnkey solution that automates network firewall virtualization lets you spin up security services in hours, and you can reduce your network operations expenses with 5 times lower TCO. My name is Carolyn Rabb, the Chief Product Officer at Corsa Security, and today I'd like to show you how a turnkey virtualization platform can offer these significant savings over a DIY approach or keeping your physical firewalls. It takes a lot of time, resources, and specialized skills to build a virtualization platform that automatically converts physical to virtual firewalls. That's because there are many steps involved, and each one requires a team of experts in network engineering, security, systems integration, and DevOps. Once the system is developed, ongoing maintenance, upgrades, testing, and validation are also required. To tackle this with a DIY approach is a huge undertaking, but with a turnkey platform, all of this is taken care of for you. You can save time and money while reducing project risk and speeding up time to deployment. You're also divorced from managing infrastructure, so you can save yourself the perennial headache of managing vendors and integration. And if the platform is sold with a pay-as-you-grow model, then you are only paying for the capacity you need in your network at any given time. To make this real, let's look at the TCO of a network deployment that needs 50 firewalls over 3 years. To go the hardware-based firewall route, you need to buy 50 physical firewalls plus support, which will cost roughly $3 million of CapEx upfront and take over a year to conduct the RFP process and deploy. If you want to go the DIY virtual firewall route, you need to buy equipment and build a virtualization platform, which can cost from $3 to $4 million and take over 2 years to build the platform. To use a turnkey automated firewall virtualization platform, like the one from Corsa Security, you will sign up for a monthly subscription and your cost will be $810,000 OPEX over 3 years, plus, and this is huge, you can be up and running in 30 days or less. Based on these real-world calculations, the turnkey platform is the clear winner, as you can save over 270% and deploy 12x faster compared to hardware firewalls. But this is actually nothing when you get 4 to 5x lower TCO and 24x faster time to deployment with a turnkey platform instead of DIY virtualization. Firewall virtualization no longer needs to be a costly or time-consuming process. With a turnkey solution, you can automate and virtualize your network firewalls with speed, scale, and savings. See how Corsa Security can help.